everyone. Today we are discussing simple equation. Father of algebra, Alexandrian. Term, a constant or a variable or the product of a constant and a variable a term. Example, 4ab minus 7x by 4. Expression, a single term or a group of terms connected with plus, minus, into and divided is a expression. So types of equations. Equations with a largest exponent of the variable 1 are called linear equation. So example, x plus 7 equal to 2 is a variable. Variable x power is 1. So it is a linear equation. It is also a linear equation. It is a two variables is there. The x power is 1 and y power also 1. Which is a degree is 1. That is a linear equation or simple equation. Among the linear equation, those having only one variable are called simple equation. So compared to there is a two examples is there. One is the x plus 7 is equal to 2 and another is the x plus y equal to 9. Both equations we are comparison. First example is only one variable and second is two variables. So this type of equations is a simple equations like x plus 7 equal to 2. Concept of a simple equation. So now 5 into dash equal to 50. So 5, which number we have multiplied the 5? The answer is 50. Now it is a x. So 5x equal to 50. But clearly we are observing this is a equation, simple equation. Why? Because the power is 1. So 5x equal to 50. What is the x value? If x is 1, 5 into 1, 5. It is not answer. If x is 2, 5 into 2 equal to 10. It is not answer. If x is equal to 3, 5 into 3, 15. So on. If x is equal to 10, 5 into 10 equal to 50. So clearly the answer is x is equal to 10. X equal to 10. Answer 5 into 10 equal to 50. Now, so 5x is equal to 50. 2x plus 1 equal to 7. In the equations, so they are asking, first of all we are observing which is the left hand side and which is the right hand side. So first of all, this is the 5x is the LHS, left hand side, and 50 is the RHS, right hand side. In that equation, it is also a linear equation or simple equation. So 2x plus 1 is the LHS and 7 is the RHS. So they are asking in a given three equations is there, what is the LHS and what is the RHS. So first of all, we are crossing the 2x is equal to 10. The 2x is the LHS and 10 is the RHS. And they are given the 2x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 9. What is the LHS and what is the RHS? So in the equation, LHS is 2x minus 3 and RHS is 9. So another equation is 4z plus 1 equal to 8. The LHS is 4z plus 1 and RHS is 8. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. So already previously we are discussing in a linear equation which is the LHS and which is the RHS. So first of all, 2 plus y equal to 7. In that equation, 2 plus y is LHS and RHS is 7. In equations we are balancing it. So what is the y value? So they are asking trial and error method. So if y equal to 1, what is the answer? So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. It is not equal. So it is not a solution. If y equal to 2, we replace the y value 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 not equal to 7. So it is also not a solution. So y equal to 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 not equal to 7. It is not a solution. If y equal to 4, so 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 not equal to 7. It is also not a solution. If y equal to 5, so 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution is y is equal to 5. So check. So finally we are practicing that always if y equal to 7. So 2 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 7. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is trial and error method. It is a solution. We are going to another sum. A minus 2 equal to 6. So first of all, we are substitute the plus values. Addition. It is a subtraction. If A equal to 1, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. If A equal to 2, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So both are not a solutions. If A equal to 3, 3 minus 2 equal to 1. If A equal to 4, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Both are also not a solutions. A equal to 5, 5 minus 2, 3. It is not a solution. A is equal to 6, 6 minus 2, 4. It is also not a solution. A is equal to 7, 7 minus 2, 5. It is also not a solution. A is equal to 8, 8 minus 2 equal to 6. It is a solution. So always left hand side is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to right hand side RHS. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6. RHS also 6. So it is a solution. So another example, it is a multiplication. 5m equal to 15. So where m equal to 1. So 5 into 1, 5. And m equal to 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10. So not equal. 5 m equal to 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. It is a solution. So LHS is 5 into 3 equal to 15. Where RHS 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. So when the LHS and RHS, that is the solution of equation. So y m equal to 3. So